If you've upgraded to Windows 10 and there's a Windows.old folder still located on your C drive, you can delete that. But you can't just delete it from the file folder. There's a proper way to do it. Here's how. In Windows 10, when you do an upgrade, it creates this Windows.old folder. And if I right-click and go to Properties, I can get an idea how big this file folder is. And as you can see, it's 13.6 gigs. So we want to clear that disk space and make it available for our programs. So I'm going to cancel this. Go to the local C drive, right-click, and go to Properties. There is a disk cleanup option right here. Click that. And it brings up a list of files to delete. There is this button down here for cleanup system files. Click on that. It'll do a scan of your C drive and give you some information about what data is there that needs to be cleaned. When that comes up, you can see in the list a number of things that we'll delete. Scroll down and you'll see previous Windows installations. Check that box and hit OK. And then hit Delete Files. This will run the disk cleanup utility and clear out your Windows.old installation. And after a few minutes, when it's all done, hit OK to close that window and you'll see the Windows.old folder is now gone. So if you've done a Windows 10 upgrade and you have a Windows.old folder, this is a great way to free up some disk space. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click the thumbs up and leave a comment. I really do appreciate your support.